Hello everybody, my name's Bill. This is Rust to Resurrection. I have a couple fun short stories to tell you. A couple weeks ago, Lynn and I went south, down to South Carolina, to celebrate or help celebrate a good friend of mine, Jeff Ford, his birthday. Jeff is turning 60. Jeff has the YouTube channel Auto Restamod. Jeff and I have been friends for a really long time, and when they decided to celebrate his 60th birthday, Lynn and I just had to make the drive down to help him celebrate. I thought it would be fun as we traveled south to make this somewhat of an automotive related trip. Now, Jeff runs Auto Restamod. Jeff films a lot of his videos in his studio in South Carolina. But along the way, we decided to stop in Hershey. Now, we stopped in Hershey on the way down, and we stopped in Hershey on the way back. Now, Hershey is roughly halfway between New Hampshire and South Carolina. We did the Hershey chocolate thing. While we were there, I stumbled across the Antique Automobile Club of America Library. And Lynn and I decided to stop in and visit the library. And I want to tell you that story here coming up. In a future video on the way back, we also stopped at the AACA, or Antique Automobile Club of America Museum, and we spent a couple hours in that museum, and I'll do that video in a future upload, and I'll show you some of the really great old cars that they had on display at the museum. So let's get started. So today we're in Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we stumbled on the Antique Automobile Club of America. This is a phenomenal place. It's got a library. The library is just full of documents for all the automotive marks. The people here, the staff is friendly, more than willing to work with you. I'm going to take you on a quick tour. When you walk into the library, you notice immediately how open and well lit it is. The welcome desk is straight in front of you and doesn't require you to search for it. We were struck by how friendly and willing to help the staff were. The several cars on the first floor were each recent AACA award winners, and they were placed on temporary display by their owners. Up a single flight of stairs in the library is, well, the library. Though entry was strict, it was easy to navigate the process, and the staff was once again helpful and accommodating. In their state-of-the-art facilities, they claim nearly 2 million pieces of sales literature, photographs, owner's manuals, and clippings, with more than 3,500 shop manuals and parts books, over 6,500 reference books, 40,000 advertisements, and over 60,000 periodicals, and much, much more. So Lynn and I are not members of the AACA at this point, and they are not sponsoring this video. But as collectors, we recognize the incredible resource that this can be for people who are enthusiasts, and the value that you get for virtually no money, because you don't need to be a member to get to use this resource. The library is open to the public, so if there's information that you're looking for your car, for your automobile, for your mark, don't be afraid to give these folks some contact and see if there's something that they can do to help you. But they do take donations, so if you have any automobile-related paraphernalia, magazines, books, anything that you're willing to donate, they do have a place on their website where you can make those donations as a 501c. If you are a member of the AACA, you do get reduced rates for all the research that they would do. You don't have to be at the library to get the value. You could simply call or email and they would do the research that you're looking for you. It's just an incredible resource. And if you're a serious collector, don't be afraid to use that resource. So membership to the AACA, it's $45, both individual and if you include a spouse or partner, it's $45 a year, which is pretty reasonable. You do get a magazine, and that magazine is Antique Automobile Magazine, and it's published bi-monthly. And it's published by the Antique Automobile Club of America. Now, as members, you get to participate in their very extensive forums. You have to be a member to really get access to those. But you can also buy, sell, trade on the website as well. So a lot of value to this, folks, if you're into collecting automobiles. They also have regional or local chapters. So when you join the AACA, you can find a club that is close to you, and you could join the conversation with club members that are local to you. So like I said, this was the first stop on the way down to South Carolina at Hershey. On the way back, we stopped at Hershey again. We stopped at the AACA Museum. Over 200 cars, really well laid out. The dioramas were phenomenal. And I am going to do a video on that sometime in the relatively near future. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this new channel if you haven't already. We're trying to grow, and we appreciate all of you being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.